With eHandbook version 10, we introduce a new type of content that can be added and delivered with eHandbook containers, file-based attachments. So what's the background for attachments? When it comes to ECU software documentation, there's typically a lot of information that needs to be shared with its users. Often this information is already available in some existing formats. Instead of spending efforts on converting such contents to eHandbook text formats, it can be much easier and faster to add such files as attachments to a function documentation. So how do attachments work for users of eHandbook Navigator? Attachments are grouped under a special category in the table of contents. You can see if a function or chapter has any attachments through the entry with the paperclip. The attachments belonging to the chapter or function are listed in the category. To open an attachment, simply click on the respective entry. Note that the attachment will be opened outside of eHandbook Navigator in the default application that is associated with the file type. For example, PDF documents will open in Adobe Acrobat Reader, Word files in Microsoft Word, etc. You can save an attachment by right-clicking on the entry and selecting Save Attachment. Alternatively, you can also save all attachments of a function or chapter by right-clicking on the category node and selecting Save All Attachments. Attachments is a very flexible concept, and like in other applications, attachments can be of any file type. This offers a lot of further possibilities, especially for calibration engineers. For example, it is also possible to attach label lists or datasets in respective file formats such as lab files or DCM files to the individual ECU functions. Through this, calibration engineers can get direct access to structured information that they can use in other tools such as Inca or MDA. Other attachments could, for example, be additional training documents or even automation scripts for automated calibration. Please note that in eHandbook version 10.0, attachments are added during the generation of the respective eHandbook containers. If you want or need specific attachments, please contact the provider of your eHandbook container files.